Alright boys, we made it to Orlando. We literally took a private jet flight to come eat at this place. That's how good the place is. They should sponsor me. My girlfriend lives here for 3 years in Orlando, and every weekend when I would come visit her, we would come to this place almost every single time. I've been to almost 30 countries, and I've eaten at some of the most luxurious places in the world, and this is my #1 spot in the world. #2 is STK San Juan, and #3 is Peter Luger's New York City.
I've never been here, so let's see if it's worth the hype.
It's worth the hype.